tea beauty benefits. Originating from China, green tea is made from Camellia sinensis leaves that undergo drying and oxidation. Green tea has long been used for food and drink, and used externally in Asia for beauty purposes, thanks to its anti-aging, antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. There are different types of green tea such as jasmine, dragonwell and bai luo chun from China, and sencha, genmaicha, hojicha and matcha from Japan. Despite differences in taste, regions, growing conditions, production process and harvest times, all types are enriched with an antioxidant called epigallocatechin-3-gallet (EGCG), which gives green tea its best benefits. The benefits of green tea for the skin are mainly found in, but not limited to, its power to fight premature aging and inflammation. 1. Combat signs of aging. Polyphenols in green tea neutralize free radicals which can lead to sagging skin, age spots, fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Improve acne and reduce excess oil. Catechins in green tea have antibacterial properties. They fight acne-causing bacteria and regulate the body's hormone levels to prevent cystic acne. Green tea is also rich in tannins which can reduce sebum production. 3. Even skin tone. Green tea flushes out toxins from skin, heals blemishes, and reduces inflammation to achieve a more even skin tone. 4. Reduce puffy eyes and dark circles. Antioxidants and tannins in green tea shrink blood vessels around the delicate eye area to reduce puffiness. Caffeine in green tea also improves fluid circulation to prevent swelling, while its vitamin K content can lighten dark circles. 5. Tighten pores. Green tea is a powerful astringent, thanks to the presence of tannins. It also draws out impurities, diminishes the appearance of large pores, moisturizes and smoothens skin. 6. Protect skin from sun damage. Tannic acid, theobromine and polyphenols in green tea soothe and heal sunburned skin, while the EGCG in green tea prevents skin cancer by inhibiting genes that cause inflammation. 7. Exfoliate skin. The slightly abrasive texture of dry green tea leaves exfoliates skin to remove dead cells and impurities. Green tea works wonders not just for the skin but also for your hair. It helps prevent hair loss and dandruff while protecting your tresses against external aggressors. 1. Stimulate hair growth. Antioxidants in green tea promote hair growth, while catechins inhibit DHT, dihydrotestosterone, one of the key causes of hair loss. 2. Prevent dandruff. Green tea kills microbes and moisturizes the scalp to prevent itchiness and the formation of dandruff. 3. Prevent oil buildup. Tannins in green tea reduce oil on the scalp and hair to keep you feeling refreshed. 4. Make your hair healthy and shiny. Panthenol and vitamins C and E in green tea condition hair, leaving it strong, healthy and shiny. Green tea also protects hair from environmental pollution like dust and cigarette smoke. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.